guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Online Everything. As you all know, I am your host Jim, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make from $500 to say any amount that you want, just selling YouTube thumbnails. Before I get into the video, if this is your first time and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please I need you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make a new video, so that you will not miss out. And if at the end of this video you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. So with that said, let's just get into the video. So right here, this is my YouTube channel. This is just my page. So right here, I know most of you are going to be saying how you're going to make money for just selling YouTube thumbnails or YouTube images. Right here you can see that this is an image and this is a video. You can see right here, this is the image, this one is the image of this video, and this is the image of this video. Before it starts playing, this is the image of this video. What if I told you that you can make money just selling these images to these people for free? When I mean for free, I mean you're gonna be getting these images for free, and you're gonna be selling it for a decent amount. So the two websites I'm gonna be showing you today are okay, one where you're gonna be getting the free thumbnails, and two, a place where you're gonna be selling it, where people actually go to buy. So the first website I want us to go is the website where we're going to be getting the free thumbnails. So we're going to be heading over to PicMaker. Just go to Google, search for PicMaker, and you're going to be brought to the website. This is PicMaker. So right here, what this does for you is helps you make thumbnails. If you're a free thumbnail maker, as you can see, free thumbnail maker for YouTube. So right here, what I want you to do is sign up. So when you click on sign up, you're gonna be brought onto this page right here. If you have Facebook, sign up with Facebook, Google, or you can just use your name and email, right? So you just click on sign up. So when you are done signing up, you're gonna be brought to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. So what we are gonna be creating is YouTube thumbnails. So we're going to be clicking on YouTube thumbnails. When you click on this thumbnail, you're going to be brought to this page right here. This is where we are going to be making our free thumbnails that we're going to be selling, and people are going to be buying and paying us money. Now right here in this website, they already have done for you thumbnails. Let me just use YouTube images. You already have done for you YouTube images. So if you click on this pre-built, right, it's gonna load up. As you can see right here, there are different categories, different pictures already done for you thumbnails, right, that you can actually use, sell to people, or tweak it a little bit, then sell it to people, and they're gonna buy it, and they're gonna pay you cash. So you can see right here, you can select which category you want. You can select food, health and fitness, miscellaneous, motivational, personal, technology. So let's say we want to make an image like this, or anything related to food. So when we come on this page, you just select food, and let me just say let's choose choose on this one. Just click on it, it's gonna load. All right, this is the already done for you thumbnails, but you can decide to start from scratch and create your own content. It's fine, but I'm just showing you that you have an option. You can either choose from this, right, or you don't. Okay, so it says finish loading. So you can see right here, this is the already done for you YouTube thumbnail that you're gonna use. Right here, you can actually edit anything that is on here, and you can add anything to it. So right here, you can see if I do not like what is here, I can click on it and edit it, right? So my computer is a little bit slow. So as you can see, it's already highlighted. I can choose to edit it edit text, right? Or edit the color, edit the font size, or the font itself. If I want to change this font, I don't like it, I can say, okay, let me edit this text. Okay, let me just say ways to make noodles. Sorry, ways to make noodles. As you can see, I can save that. If to just save that, I just click outside the box, and that's okay. And if I want, I can move this around. Sorry, I can move this around. As you can see, I can move it around anytime I want. So I can actually change anything right here. I can delete if I do not want it. I can delete this image if I do not want it. Just press delete and it's gonna go away, as you see. But if you do not want to delete it, you can just go back and undo what you just did. You click undo, and that's all. And if you want to add something, what you just have to do is go on to Google, download whatever you want to download, then come to this uploads right here, click on uploads. If you do not like anything here, you want to upload your own content. So you can see these are things I've already uploaded. So I want to upload a fresh one from my computer. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let me just say, I want to add this one to it. I just click on open, and I click on save. So it's going to upload. See, so I just click on it and it's going to appear here. Just wait a little. See, and I can adjust the size of the movie anywhere I want, as you can see, right? And you can adjust this thing. If you are not seeing it clearly, you can adjust the size of this stuff. And when you're done with this, you can just close this stuff here. You can zoom in if you want to. Then if you're done editing, you just click on preview to see what your project is going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. So once I'm satisfied, I just click on it, then download. Click on download. It's going to come back to your computer, and that's all. You've made the thumbnail. Now the next thing is to sell it. Where are you going to sell it now? Which brings us to the second website, what I was talking about. Second website is called People Per Hour. Here you can sell all stuff, like so many things, but what we're going to be focusing on is thumbnails. So we're gonna, if you search on here, if you search on thumbnails here, click search on thumbnails and find your expert, you're gonna be brought up to this page where you find content related to what you searched for. As you can see, we search on thumbnails. So right here, I've already filtered this thing to top sales, right, to see to actually know what are people actually making money from here. Okay, now these are so many people. You can see this one is selling from $10, $15, $10, $15. So for a newbie like us, I would advise $10. So people can actually relate with us, because if you sell for up to $20, nobody, I'm not sure people are gonna buy. Is that you already have good ratings. So we're gonna select on, click on this guy right here. You click on view, right? You're gonna view this guy's profile, what he sells. He sells $15, right? So this is what you get with this offer. And so we're going to click on the guy's profile to see what he has made sales. So this is, his name is Asade. So we're going to click on it. Click on it, we're going to be brought to his real profile, right? Now this is his cover photo, and this is his profile photo. Now this right here is his this is about the guy, right? So now let's go down here to see how many sales he has made. As you can see, projects worked on, he has worked on 1,426 projects, and he sells one project $15 per project, right? Okay, let's pull up our online calculator and see something. Okay, let's say, okay, 1,426, right, multiplied by 15. Let's see how much it's gonna give us. 21,390. That's a lot of money, man. So he has made $21,000 from selling just YouTube thumbnails. This guy right here, he has made $21,000 from selling YouTube thumbnails, just images. So he sells one $15, and you and I, I'm going to show you how you're going to sell here too and make money. So now you can see that this thing is real. People actually make money from this. He has sold to 746 people, clients, 700, and he has made up to $21,000. And you can make that too. And so I'm going to show you, first of all, what I want you to do right now is you have to apply, create an account with these people so that you can actually start selling your stuff. So we're going to go back to the home page, right? Now we're going to click on this sign up button right here. When you click on sign up, right, you're going to be back here. Sorry, you're gonna be back here, right? So when you come here, you're gonna click on I want to work as a freelancer, right? So you click on this and click on sign up with Facebook or with Gmail. Then once you've signed up with Gmail, you have to go back to your email or Facebook. If you sign up with Facebook, it's cool, but if you sign up with your Gmail or with any email at all, you have to go back to your email to confirm, to verify it. Once you verified your email, now you'll be brought to this page where you have to fill in some details, right? You're gonna tell us about you, select your skills, add preferences, set your on-site preferences, personalize your application. Normally I'm supposed to show you, I would love to show you step by step on how to create a profile like this guy that has made up to $21,000. But this video, I don't want it to be too long. If I'm to show you that in this video, it's gonna be way too long, and people do not like watching long videos. But if you want it personally, you want me to make a video for you on how to actually do this, to set up your account step by step, you can email me. I'm going to put my email down there. Email me and I'm going to make a video for you. But I'm still going to give you an insight on how to actually do this by yourself if you do not know how to. So you can, if you don't know what to write about you or what skills to select or add preference, you can actually go back. I'm going to show you something. So what you need to do is, when you go back to the page where you searched for thumbnails, search top sales, you can go use these people. You can use their profiles to set up yours. You can use it as a guide to set up yours. So if you have to choose this same guy, this Assad A, and you click on view, and you are brought to his page, and you click on his profile, which is right here. Right now you can see that here you can find his about page. This is about Assad. So if you don't know what to write about you here, tell us about you here, you can come here, just literally copy this and remove the content that does not apply to you. You remove it, tweak it a little, just use this as a guide to write an about your page, right, for you. Then you can see select your skills. If you do not know what skills to select, what skills there are for you to choose from, you can just still come back here to the guy's page. When you scroll down here, you're going to see his skills. So practically you can just type in all this, so that when people search on things like this, your page is going to pop up, your profile is going to pop up, and you can buy from you. So you just go to your select skills, you just type on these keywords and select OK, tap on them, you can see 5 more. So that's just pretty much it. You set up your account, but and when you are done with all this, there's going to be a submit application button right here. Submit your application, and your application is going to be under review. But I'm going to give you this con about this website that I actually, as an honest person, I will have to tell you, it takes about 7 days for them to approve your account, to review your account. But there's a faster way, which I do not recommend, since we do not like spending money. But you have to pay $13 for them to review it in under a day, and I do not recommend that. But if you want to spend a little cash, you can pay the $13, and they're gonna review your account under a day, and you're gonna get approved, and you can set up your account for this stuff. So you can see right here, people, they are making money from this website. People per hour, they're making tons of cash. This guy, $10. So you set up your account for $10, set up these images, and when you get buyers, because definitely they are going to pay you first before you deliver the item. So you just get paid, come back to PicMaker, just select whatever you want to select. If you want to type something here, just click on text, it's gonna come out. Click on that, you see it's gonna come out here, and you type something. If you want to add more things to it, it's just that easy. And when you're done, you download it, and it's finished, you send to the client, and you make money. You can see how easy that is. It is so easy as anything, and it is free, fully free, and you're gonna be selling it for $10 here. Just imagine 10 people decide to buy from you a day, and that will be $115, $150, and you're paying nothing from it. It's just 2 minutes of work or 5 minutes of work for just one image, and you're done. You can just literally come here. Maybe if you want to add the person's photo, if the person needs a photo, you can ask the person to send you their photos, and you just click on uploads, add from your system, your laptop, upload it here and add it to it, and that's all. You're just like done, really done. So that's just it, guys. I hope you like this video. Like I said, if you want an in-depth way, if you want me to actually show you how to apply for this stuff, do this step by step, you can comment. You can comment on this on my video, or you can email me. My email is gonna be down here. Tell me, I'm gonna give you a video. I'll make a video for you step by step, and that's all for it today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I'm making a video, so you'll not be left out. So peace out, guys. Next time, bye.